Your eyes staring into mine, but it's a battlefield and I'm on the other side. You can throw your words sharper than a knife and leave me cold in another house on fire. And I lay low to watch the bridges burn. I lay low, what more could I have done? And now you only bring me black roses, and they crumble to the dust when they are held. And now you only bring me black roses under your spell.